guys, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 8 inside VMware Workstation Player 17. Let's get started. So you'll need your Windows 8 ISO, which there is only you need your Windows 8 ISO, and you'll need VMware Workstation 17 Player installed. Now we can create a new virtual machine, and we have our Windows. Let's browse for Windows 8 ISO. We have it. Click on Next. Select an edition, Windows 8 Pro, and I'll just leave the password empty. Now it's gonna ask, because we didn't enter a product key, the Windows version is not gonna be activated. Do you want to continue? Yes. If you have a product key, you can enter it. And under machine folder, select wherever you want to store it. I'm just gonna store it in the default location. Click on. I just want to rename it to Windows 8 Tutorial, and click on Next. For other size, I'm gonna leave it at 60 gigabytes. Next. And if you want to customize hardware, you can. But we can just close it and click on Finish. Wait for VMware to create our, and then we can start up our virtual machine and set up. Sometimes it all depends on our computer. I'm using an MSI Modern M15 with 8 gigabytes of RAM and an Intel Core i3 1100K, so this might be interesting how long it will take, and it looks like that it's not taking that long. And you might notice that I already have a lot of VMs in my station. Now it might start automatically. Yep, that's the case by default. If you change the setting about that, it might not start as default. It might just open the VMware Manager. It might just show the virtual machine that the Workstation Manager has just started manually. But let's just boot into the Windows 8 installer first. It's gonna say setup is starting because we skipped the first part. We use easy install, and if you don't want to easy install, you don't have to, but it's just much easier to use easy install. And it's installing. First copying files, then getting the files ready, installing features, and then install updates and finish up. Let's just wait. And make sure to look forward to the next tutorial, which is going to be on how to install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation 17. Because Windows 8.1 is especially 8 ended support before 7, and then just a few days ago Windows 8 ended support, like I think it was a week ago. So it might not be as ideal. You might just want to play around in Windows 8, and that's why you are installing this. You can install Windows 8.1, and the installation steps are pretty much the same. And it finished getting files ready for installation. Now it's installing features and it's gonna install updates. Let's just wait for it to do all of this, and now it's gonna ask for us to restart our virtual machine. And this time it should boot from the hard disk. And it's gonna launch us into the getting things ready screen. Yeah. And you might get an error that says Windows has unsuccessfully restarted. To install Windows, you need to restart your computer and restart the installation. It's getting devices ready. It's going to automatically not ask us for the auto box appear and just getting to go straight into the desktop and then install VMware tools. And once it starts showing getting ready, it's probably already done. Just want to show you the screen for a bit longer. So we need to restart the virtual machine. And it's going to again load us into Windows. Now it's going to give us that installation error that I'm very familiar with, and I'm going to show you how to fix. Let's just wait. Oh, this time it didn't show the error. Oh, weird. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm gonna show you when we get in on how would you fix it if it was. And yeah, just giving you a bunch of how to use the new Charms interface and all of that stuff that Windows 8 brought. And then it's going to boot us. And we need to click on virtual machine. And we already have VMware tools installing. And it detects Internet Explorer and restarts so for the final time so it can install VMware tools. Okay, now that we are in, we can go to virtual machine, exit full screen. It should go into larger resolution and clap and view full screen mode. Let's go to our desktop, and we have did it. But I would just want to show that this is Windows 8 by running WinBurn, and it is Windows 8. So that's all I have to show for this video. Make sure to look forward to the tutorial on how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox in VMware. So for now, bye.